In numerology, the life path number 7 stands as a beacon of intellect, intuition, and truth-seeking. Those who embody the essence of this mystical number are often hailed for their remarkable qualities, both positive and negative, that shape their journey through life. Let us first delve into the positive personality traits that define individuals walking the path of life path 7. At the heart of their being lies an innate intelligence, a sharpness of mind that sets them apart. Gifted with analytical prowess, they possess a keen ability to dissect complex concepts, unravel mysteries, and uncover hidden truths that elude others. It is this intellectual curiosity that fuels their quest for knowledge and understanding, propelling them into realms of discovery that few dare to explore. But intellect alone does not define the essence of a life path 7 individual. They are also blessed with a deep well of intuition, a sixth sense that guides them through the labyrinth of life. Trusting in the whispers of their inner voice, they navigate the uncertainties of existence with grace and clarity, often finding solace in the quiet depths of their own intuition. Driven by a relentless thirst for truth, life path 7 souls are like seekers on a pilgrimage, relentlessly pursuing enlightenment in all its forms. They are not content with superficial answers or half-truths. Instead, they yearn for deeper insights, deeper understanding, and deeper connections that transcend the limitations of the material world. Yet, for all their brilliance and insight, life path 7 individuals are often seen as lone wolves, wandering through the world with a sense of detachment and solitude. While they may value the company of others, they are most at home in the quiet sanctuary of their own thoughts, where they can ponder the mysteries of the universe undisturbed. However, like all things in life, there exists a shadow side to the brilliance of life path 7. When out of balance, they may retreat into the shadows, becoming hermits of their own making, isolated from the world around them. In their quest for truth, they may become condescending, viewing others through a lens of intellectual superiority that alienates rather than uplifts. Moreover, the pursuit of personal enlightenment may lead them down a path of selfishness, where the needs and concerns of others are overlooked in favor of their own spiritual journey. In their quest for higher knowledge, they may lose touch with the realities of everyday life, drifting further and further from the human experience they seek to understand. But let us not dwell on the negatives, for the essence of life path 7 is one of profound depth and beauty. It is a journey of self-discovery, of intellectual enlightenment, and of spiritual awakening. So, to all those walking the path of life path 7, I say, embrace your brilliance, honor your intuition, and never stop seeking the truth. For in the pursuit of enlightenment, you will uncover the infinite mysteries of the cosmos and the boundless depths of your own soul. Life path 7 individuals bring their unique blend of intellect, intuition, and introspection into every aspect of their lives, including relationships, career, and hobbies. In relationships, 7s can be both fascinating and complex partners. They value deep, meaningful connections and seek partners who can engage them on an intellectual and spiritual level. However, their inclination towards solitude and introspection may sometimes make it challenging for them to fully open up and connect emotionally. They appreciate partners who respect their need for space and independence, while also providing the support and understanding they require. Career-wise, life path 7 individuals are drawn to professions that allow them to explore their intellectual curiosity and pursue their quest for truth and knowledge. They excel in fields such as research, academia, science, philosophy, and spirituality, where they can delve into complex ideas and uncover hidden truths. Their analytical minds and intuitive insights make them valuable assets in any profession that requires deep thinking and problem-solving skills. When it comes to travel and hobbies, 7s are often drawn to destinations and activities that offer opportunities for introspection and self-discovery. They may enjoy solo travel to remote or spiritually significant locations where they can immerse themselves in nature or explore ancient cultures and philosophies. Hobbies such as meditation, yoga, reading, writing, and artistic pursuits allow them to channel their creativity and delve deeper into their inner worlds. Overall, Life Path 7 individuals approach relationships, career, and hobbies with a sense of depth and purpose, seeking experiences that nourish their intellect, nurture their spirit, and inspire their soul. Life Path 7 individuals possess a unique blend of intellect, intuition, and introspection that shapes their interactions with others. When it comes to compatibility with other life path numbers, 7s often find harmony with those who share their love for intellectual pursuits, spiritual exploration, and deep conversations. One of the most compatible matches for Life Path 7 individuals is Life Path 5. Both 7s and 5s are adventurous souls who value freedom, exploration, and independence. They enjoy engaging in stimulating conversations, embarking on spontaneous adventures, and embracing the unpredictability of life together. While 7s bring depth and introspection to the relationship, 5s infuse it with excitement, energy, and a sense of adventure. Another compatible match for Life Path 7 is Life Path 9. Both 7s and 9s are deeply compassionate individuals who are drawn to humanitarian causes and seek to make a positive difference in the world. They share a love for spirituality, philosophy, and personal growth, and they can engage in meaningful conversations about life's deeper mysteries. Together, they form a powerful partnership built on mutual understanding, support, and a shared vision for the future. However, not all life path numbers may resonate equally with Life Path 7 individuals. One potential challenge for 7s can arise in relationships with Life Path 1 individuals. While 1s are ambitious, assertive, and focused on their goals, 7s may find it difficult to relate to their single-minded pursuit of success and achievement. Additionally, 1s may perceive 7s as overly analytical or detached, leading to potential misunderstandings and conflicts. Similarly, Life Path 8 individuals may present compatibility challenges for Life Path 7s. 8s are driven by ambition, power, and material success, which may clash with the more introspective and spiritually oriented nature of 7s. While 8s value practicality and tangible results, 7s prioritize intellectual stimulation and inner growth, potentially leading to differences in priorities and values within the relationship. In conclusion, Life Path 7 individuals find compatibility with those who share their love for intellectual exploration, spiritual growth, and meaningful connections. While they may form strong bonds with Life Path 5 and 9 individuals, they may encounter challenges in relationships with Life Path 1 and 8 individuals due to differences in priorities and values. Ultimately, compatibility between life path numbers depends on the individuals involved and their willingness to communicate, understand, and appreciate each other's unique qualities and perspectives. Life Path 7 individuals may encounter both valuable lessons and unique challenges in the current year. For Life Path 7 individuals, this year may be a time of profound introspection and spiritual growth. The lessons they encounter may revolve around deepening their understanding of themselves and the world around them. This could involve delving into their innermost thoughts and emotions, uncovering hidden truths, and gaining clarity about their life's purpose and direction. Challenges for Life Path 7 individuals this year may arise from their tendency towards introspection and solitude. While introspection is a valuable tool for self-discovery, excessive isolation may lead to feelings of loneliness or disconnection from others. Life Path 7 individuals may need to find a balance between their need for solitude and their desire for meaningful connections with others. Additionally, Life Path 7 individuals may face challenges related to their analytical nature. Their quest for truth and understanding may sometimes lead them to overanalyze situations or become overly critical of themselves and others. Learning to trust their intuition and embrace uncertainty may help Life Path 7 individuals navigate these challenges more effectively. Overall, the lessons and challenges faced by Life Path 7 individuals this year are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. By embracing the journey of introspection, seeking balance in their relationships, and trusting their intuition. Life Path 7 individuals can navigate this year with grace, wisdom, and resilience. As we conclude our exploration of Life Path number 7, let us remember that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Embrace the lessons learned, both the highs and the lows, as they are essential steps on your journey towards personal and spiritual enlightenment. In the pursuit of understanding and truth, let your intuition be your guide. Trust in the wisdom that lies within you and allow it to illuminate your path forward. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. There is a wealth of knowledge and support available to you. If you're hungry for more insights into personal and spiritual growth, I invite you to explore the other videos on my channel. Dive deeper into the mysteries of numerology, unlock the secrets of the universe, and embark on a journey of self-discovery like never before. With each step you take, may you find the courage to embrace the unknown, the strength to overcome any obstacle, and the wisdom to navigate life's twists and turns with grace and resilience. You are capable of greatness, and the universe is conspiring in your favor. Continue to shine brightly, Life Path 7, for your journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.